Good morning, students. Welcome you all to today's civics class. Continuing our chapter Democracy in Government, the topic today is Democracy and its goals. And the learning objectives for the same are the students will be able to explain the concept of democracy. The students will be able to describe the significance of democracy in our diverse society. Diverse here means when people living in the society have different opinions, beliefs, faiths and views. तो उस तरह की सिचुएशन में, उस तरह की सोसाइटी में what is the significance of democracy in finding solutions? We will be able to describe the significance of democracy in such a diverse society. Now students, have a look at the picture to the left. It says, taking responsibility for your actions. Your life begins to change the day you take responsibility for it. So, whatever we do in our life, we have to be responsible for that. We are accountable for that. Whatever goes on in our life, whether it is while choosing our representatives or whether it is at the personal level. So, democracy can be defined as the government of the people, by the people, for the people. Democracy में the government जो बनी होती है, it is made up of the people. लोगों के बीच में से ही representatives elect होकर आते हैं. It is by the people. People have the right to vote and they choose the representatives for the people, and those representatives they make laws for the people for their benefit and their welfare. Elections are held after fixed time और हमारी country में they are held after 5 years. During elections, we choose our representatives and they work for our welfare, they make laws for the people and they work for our betterment and our welfare. So, democracy is a political system in which the supreme power lies in the hands of the citizens who can elect people to represent them. Now, democracy is made up of two words, demos and kratos. Demos means the people, kratos means to rule. So, it is a rule by the people. Abraham Lincoln coined this idea of democracy. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. So, we see it's a form of government where the power is vested in the hands of the citizens of the country. The voter here is supreme in democracy and he can vote according to his wishes. He is free to vote whomsoever he wants to vote for. Children, we experience democracy in our homes, in our playground, like when we have to choose a captain. The team members vote and the captain is selected. Same way, in our homes, we have to make rules of keeping our homes, our rooms clean. If they are not clean, then we are responsible for the result. We are responsible for the action we have taken. Or we can see when in the house there are 5 members and more than half of the members say कि मम्मा घर में इडली सांभर ही बनेगा, तो then mama also goes along with the majority voting. So this is how we experience democracy in our homes and in the playground. Democracy can be of two types. It can be direct also and it can be indirect or representative. Each person would have a direct say in every single decision that affects the country, which is not possible when the population is more. When the population is more, there is representative kind of democracy. We elect representatives to represent our interest and to govern the country. Now, what is the role of a democratic society? People vote and elect government. They exercise their fundamental right. Universal adult franchise is given to all the people, all the citizens of the country who are 18 and 18 years plus. Common people are the primary source of political power. तो जो elections में what the voter says is supreme. So he is the supreme, he has got the supreme power during elections. He decides which party will come into power. Participation is most important part of democracy. It makes government to do job properly. People participate by elections. Universal adult franchise means that all adults, irrespective of their caste, education, wealth, and religion, they have the right to vote. And we must use this right to vote judiciously and responsibly. Like in a city, we elect mayor. In state, governor is the head of the state. Then our president, the head of the country, president is there. And then prime minister, he is the real head of the country. How does democracy work? All members of the society must be equal. For it to function, this equality must be present in the individual vote. So we already know this thing. Okay, all the citizens of the country are given the right to vote when they are 18 years and 18 years plus. Now let us have a look at the advantages of democracy. Democracy promotes equality and protection of people's rights. In representative democracy, people's interests are considered supreme. Democracy can provide for changes in the government without violence. Peaceful method is always resorted to whenever the interests clash with each other. So we can have a look at what could be the possible causes of conflict in our diverse society. It might be relating to religious possessions. When taken by a particular route, may not be liked by the people belonging to other religions. It can lead to a conflict and it can create tension. And in such a situation, it is the duty of the police to maintain law and order and to find out the best possible peaceful solution of the problem. And the possible cause of conflict might be when a particular social group develops a feeling that its interests are being ignored. Then it can raise its voice through mass protests. Various social groups also organize mass protests to raise some new demands to the government. When people don't see eye to eye with what the government has given, sometimes the government may take a decision which does not appeal to a wide section of the population. In that case, also people come out on the streets to register their protests. Here, children, we can see people participating in rallies, public meetings, and at times they create nuisance in the society, in the city, and they harm public property, which is not a democratic way of finding a solution. Now, these protests and marches can be for various reasons. They might be because people want to demand a higher wage, or they want some other facilities in the society. So the list of demand can be endless. Some people also raise their voice through debates on television. Many others raise their voice by writing on social media like Facebook, Twitter, etc., or by writing letters to the editors of newspaper. They are the peaceful way of presenting their problem. So children, these signature campaigns can be regarding the stray dogs, and it's quite a peaceful method of presenting your views. So we must mutually settle our problems with a discussion. We must give respect to other people. In democracy, there is no place for fights. Unity amongst people is the main feature of democracy. Self-discipline and tolerance is needed. Tolerance here means attitude of adjustment and mutual cooperation towards each other. Our government upholds the constitutional law and it protects the citizens' rights and at the time of conflict. Our government has given to its people right to peacefully demonstrate their display here. So democracy is based on equality and justice. As Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, justice is another name of liberty, equality and fraternity. So we'll see once again. We must exercise self-discipline and tolerance so that balance is there in the society, no chaos is there, no conflicts are there. We must solve our problems through discussion. जिसको भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है वो एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर कंसर्न पीपल से अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को उनको डिस्कस करना चाहिए. Our fundamental rights assure us equalities and freedoms. We must adopt the positive attitude of live and let live. We must focus on allowing everyone to live in the society peacefully. In democracy, the opinion of majority is accepted, but the opinion of minority is also respected. Now, majority here means when number of people of one section make more than half of the total number of people. They constitute majority. So students, we have seen all these features of democracy, and now you will be doing one sheet on Google form and sending it to me.